Today is moving day. I am so tired. I woke up at 4 and couldn't sleep for ages. I was so excited. I was moving money. I was moving money around so that I could sort out the payment for today for the rent. And then I was like, oh my god, have I got paid yet? Have I got paid yet? And I was just like, oh my god, I couldn't sleep for ages. But because I'm so excited, I don't care. I don't care that I'm tired. I'll get some sleep later. Now it's just about after 8. I have a lot of packing to do. I need to get it done in an hour and a half so that I have time to shower and look human. The cleaner's coming at 10, but the Airbnb owner, oh my god, when you're tired you can't speak. The Airbnb owner is so sweet. She goes, just leave when you're ready, no rush. Even if the cleaner's here, work around her. How nice. So let me show you what I have to pack. Don't judge the mess.
Oh, yeah, the balcony. I'm going to miss this view. I felt like I didn't get to spend as much time out here as I wanted. Look at the view. Oh my goodness. This is why I say Nairobi is so beautiful. But you know what? Where I'm going has a nice view too, so maybe I won't miss it as much.
Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you the journey to new place. We're packing everything. So excited. Now the time is, what time is it? 1 minute? 10 o'clock on the dot. So the cleaner's expected to come any minute now. I'm really happy. Everything's packed, ready to go. I'm really, really, really excited. Maybe you can do like a once over with me. Nothing to do with me. Okay, and that's it. Suitcases are packed, all ready to go. So I have an hour before I check in at the other place. It's literally a 5-minute drive away, so there's no need to rush. But yeah, I'm very, very, very excited to be going to my new place. I feel like I can finally settle. I was just kind of going through all of the places I've moved, and I've moved 8 times. And I've been in Nairobi for 9 months. 8 times in 9 months, that's a lot. And moving with all that stuff as well, is really stressful. So I'm so happy that I decided to settle here. I was a bit scared. When you make a decision for yourself, not everyone's going to agree with you or be happy for you, because they might have their own ideas. They care. It can be a bit nerve-wracking because you don't want to make anyone feel upset or anything. Obviously, my family back in the UK are going to miss me. I've got family in different countries as well. So making that decision, it was so hard to just channel my thoughts alone, remove noise to make the decision for me, and I'm glad I did it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm going to document a new place just because I don't want someone to go on my comments and like, oh, I know this place, and then put my address in the comments. I don't know, that kind of freaks me out a little bit. But I will film some of it. Anyway, stay tuned.
It's not opening.
I know. Doesn't like me.
Doesn't like you.
So I'm just in the office now, about to sign the contract and waiting for the lady. I'm so excited. I can't contain my excitement, honestly. Like a new home. I love a new home. Don't you love a new home? I'm all settled. I haven't sat down yet. I'm just still taking it all in. Can't believe it. This is not the typical place that I normally go for at all. It's so not usually my thing. Normally I'm like, I want everything modern. But there's something about this place that I just love, and I just felt this was the place. So let me give you a little tour of my new place. Hope you like it. It's very different to what I usually go for, honestly. Right, so a quick tour. By the way, the guys were so helpful. I think I'm on the second floor or third. No lift. But anyway, it'll keep me fit. So there's a couple of things that I forgot to check when I was checking out the apartment yesterday. And one thing I always require is a handheld shower. I don't like just having the rain shower from the top because if you're a woman, you know what I mean. You just need the hand shower to do your things. But I'll figure what to do about that. If you have any ideas what I can do, let me know. Because that's something that I turn down properties for usually. So this place is so spacious. Like I said, not the place I usually go for. It's not my typical, like, I always go for like modern, have to be like creams and beige. But when I get my own apartment, like when I buy my own house, I'll probably do that. But there was something about this place that I just loved. I mean, look how spacious it is. It's extremely spacious. I can literally do cartwheels, exercise, you have everything in this area here. Then you've got the kitchen, and you've got the like a dining area as well. I just like it. It's so big, so big. I find me a husband. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Also, a very good sized bedroom. I like that it's got a lot of windows. Unfortunately, the view is a wall, but whatever. Only sleeping here. Doesn't need to be a big bright bedroom. I love that it's got the neck curtains all around, so I'm gonna sleep like a queen at night. Just to draw these, pull these out, and then sleep like a queen. And then lots of storage, lots and lots of storage, which I love. I've never seen a place with so many hangers, honestly. Like normally it's like 3, so that's cool. Storage at the top there. Oh, it has a mirror. I was thinking I need to go and buy a full-length mirror, but hello. And lots of drawers down here again. And I like this little area as well, like all this shelving. Can you please focus? Thank you. All the shelving here. So that's the bedroom. And then something else I really love about this apartment, if I can open the door, is that the view. So green. And then it's overlooking the pool. How cool is this? The pool looks quite deep actually. This little balcony area. I can just be here in the mornings or evenings, cup of tea. So yeah, I'm really happy. Really happy. I'm a bit concerned. There are a lot of mosquitoes. I've killed about 4 already, and I've never seen so many mosquitoes. That's got to be sorted out. But yeah, this is my place. So let me know what you guys think. I think my family might be shocked seeing this video because it's not my typical taste. But when you just walk into a place and you just feel like, or sometimes the cameras, honestly. But when you walk into a place and you just feel, I don't know how to explain it. That's what you go for. I just hope that my first night is good and everything works out. I'm a little bit nervous because it's so different. Looking for insects. Still with me. Okay, so that's the end of this video, but I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And thanks again. Please subscribe and comment and like. Bye.